Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy Wemix using KuCoin. First, you'll need to set up and verify your KuCoin account. This ensures a secure trading environment and unlocks all features. Next, deposit funds into your account. You can use various cryptocurrencies like USD, which is a stablecoin, or even fiat currency through supported payment methods. Completing identity verification is crucial for higher transaction limits and full access to KuCoin services. Once your account is funded, log in to KuCoin and navigate to the trading section. You'll find a search bar where you can type Wemix to locate its trading pair, typically Wemix versus USD. Take a moment to observe the current market price and recent trading volume. This helps you understand the asset's performance and decide on your entry point. KuCoin offers a user-friendly interface for easy navigation. Now it's time to place your buy order. You have two main options, a market order or a limit order. A market order buys Wemix immediately at the best available price, while a limit order allows you to set a specific price you're willing to pay. Enter the quantity of Wemix you want to purchase. Double-check all the details, including the price and amount, before confirming your order. Your Wemix will then appear in your KuCoin spot account. After a successful purchase, your Wemix tokens will be securely held in your KuCoin spot account. For enhanced security and long-term storage, you might consider transferring your Wemix to a personal, non-custodial wallet. This gives you full control over your assets. Remember to stay updated on Wemix news and market trends to make informed decisions about your investment. KuCoin provides various tools to help you manage your portfolio effectively.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.